Our lock home screen Pinterest and last song Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours. So it's better to go to my highlights. So here you will only find viral stickers and you can check these two. And you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Once you are here, you have to click on the add yours button. And if you cannot click on the add yours button, then you can go and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, from here you have to go to your uploads and select the screenshots with your lock screen, home screen, your Pinterest, and the last song. So to me, my lock screen is this one. You have to make it smaller by using your two fingers. And then we have to add our home screen. Go to the stickers and then scroll down and go to this plus icon next to the camera. So let's add the home screen. This is mine. And as well, you have to move it in the right top corner using your two fingers. Then click on the sticker to be in the front again. So let's go to the stickers. Once again, click on the plus icon and choose your Pinterest page. Make it smaller and place it in the left bottom corner. Then click again on the sticker to the plus icon and add the last song. And like I said, you have to use your two fingers to place it where you want. And at the end, you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. So from this page, you have to click on share to, then click share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.